thing seems to go up. It says up over there. Do we believe it? I don't believe it. Should I believe it? It says turn this way. But with things, I'm always scared of breaking stuff. So maybe I will actually read the instructions this time and not take the risk, because this actually looks like there's a thing here. So does it go the other way? I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out if batteries should be placed in this thing or not. Okay, this is where you charge from. Okay. Oh, and there's a... Wait a second. There's a micro SD card in there? Okay. That's amazing.
Likey.